Before we dive into crafting our classic hardstyle kick, let's take a moment to analyze the waveform and outline the steps we'll be taking. Our first order of business will be crafting the tail, which will give our kick its defining character. Now, let's create an instrument track in our software. We'll be using the virtual instrument Drumazon 2 to generate our kick. It's crucial to set the BPM correctly, so let's dial it in at 150 if we intend to produce at that speed later on. We've chosen the key of F for our kick, and we'll be working within a 4/4 time loop, with each kick occupying a quarter note. This setup ensures we preserve the tail for the reverberation we'll apply later. Let's create a MIDI region. In Drumazon 2, our kick is located on C1, labeled as the bass drum. Now, let's fine-tune it. Adjust the pitch to F2+9 and set the decay to 50%. To maintain proper levels, reduce the Drumazon master by -3 dB. Then, on the kick channel, insert the Pro L2 plugin with +3 dB gain, balancing the output to -3 dB. Set look ahead to 1 millisecond, attack to 1 millisecond, and release to 10 milliseconds. For reference, let's add the Sub Ninja plugin to the master for a waveform visualization. Now, insert the LFO tool after Pro L2 on the kick channel to remove the initial talk sound. We'll focus on shaping the kick's tail, which gives it its unique character. Next up, asymmetrical distortion. We can use Logic Pro's Clip Distortion or the free Mistortion plugin by Nibble Tools. Cubase users might opt for Destroyer or Melda Productions Wave Shaper as an alternative. Now, it's a process of equalization and distortion. Let's start with distortion using Logic Pro's Clip Distortion. Then, with Pro Q3, we'll emphasize frequencies that enhance our kick's character, before diving into Clip Distortion. Let's duplicate the track once the tail is ready. Reverse the LFO tool and create the punch/talk. Then, generate the click with Kick 2 and add low end using Serum's Sine Oscillator. Add a reverb punch with Tau Reverb 2 plugin. And there you have it. With these steps, we're well on our way to crafting a powerful hardstyle kick. Stay tuned for the next stage in our production journey.